Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new and was just passing by, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you get notified of future videos. Please like this video just to motivate me to continue making videos. Today's video different is different from the other videos that I've been posting on the channel. Let's get into it. Basically, I wanted to share what forex trading has done in my life. I don't think I've ever shared that video. I cannot think of my life today without forex trading. The first major area where I saw forex trading really changing my life was debt. I was in a lot of debt, and quite a big percentage of it was actually student debt because I had a student loan. I went to university, to college through a student loan, and I had not settled that loan. So it was a huge burden on my life. So the first thing that I did when I became profitable was use as much of my forex trading profits to try and get rid of that student debt. If you have ever been in debt, you know how debt can pull you down. The amount of debt in your life will stop you from moving forward. So I set a goal to use as much of my forex trading to get rid of that debt. So I didn't buy Gucci, I didn't buy Versace or cars or things like that. I was just focusing on getting rid of that student debt as well as the other debts that I had, clothing accounts and things like that. So within 6 months of becoming profitable, I then managed to become debt free. I got rid of the bad debt. There's good debt, but then there's bad debt. Mine was bad debt. So from there, I then looked around for opportunities. I started looking around for opportunities now that I had money coming in, money that was sitting in my bank account. And as every financial advisor will probably tell you, it's not a good idea to just keep your money in your bank account. You need to find ways to have that money work for you. So I started looking for opportunities. I remember Uber was just taking off in South Africa, so I ended up getting involved in Uber. Initially, I bought a single vehicle, which I put on the Uber system. Then I ended up having four. At one point, I had four vehicles on the Uber system. The advantage of that was it was aligned with my approach to business. I prefer businesses where I don't have to be in that business every minute of the day, every second of the day. For example, that also has shifted my approach to trading from trading the lower time frames to trading the higher time frames, so that I'm not always looking at the charts. I still do scalping and I would still do trading on lower time frames, but I try as much as possible to stick to the higher time frames so that I have enough time for my other endeavors. So eventually that business started growing, the Uber business. And in addition to my forex trading, I started again realizing huge profits, uh, and eventually managed to buy a property, an apartment, a flat where I'm currently residing. And I continued hustling. And from there, I managed to buy a second and a third apartment. Those two apartments again are sources of passive rental income. I've already said it. I don't like businesses where I have to be there every second of the day, every minute of the day. I prefer investing my money and let that business work on autopilot. If I can say, let it work on autopilot, then I can realize the profits and I can have that passive income coming in. The other reason is also I realize that I also have kids. Probably my kids will not understand forex trading or will not want to be involved in forex trading. But I must ensure that when I'm gone, at least they have that passive income coming in. They can still have something to do with their lives, not necessarily forex trading, because forex trading is not for everybody. Forex trading is not for everybody. So they can have that passive income coming in and they don't need to put in a effort into it. Then from there, I eventually met a few partners that I have. Because now I have money, I'm free to explore the things that I love, like traveling. I've been doing a lot of traveling, and I've also been doing things like I love, like uh, I'm I'm pretty fairly creative, so I've always loved making short films. I've always loved graphic design. Yeah, I'm involved in graphic design, web development, and the sort is that creative side which you will not be able to explore when you've got bills piling up at home. So because of forex trading and the things that I've invested in, now I don't have to worry so much about money, and that frees up my time to be able to pursue the things that I love in life. So I'm into graphic designing, web development, and online publishing. I'm not talking about the two blogs that are linked to this channel. Those are just platforms where I post systems and robots and stuff. But I'm talking about we've got 5 websites and 3 apps on the Google App Store that we are promoting and developing and refining and things like that as future sources of income and part of the legacy, the generational wealth. So basically, that's how forex trading has transformed my life. I cannot imagine being here. For somebody, it's too little. I know, because there are people who probably have made billions, and there are people who own flashier cars than I do. There are people who own bigger houses. There are people who own planes and things like that. But for me, forex trading has really changed my life, and I'm still on that journey. And I don't know where it's going to take me, but I'm invested in these several things in case one day I decide to just leave forex trading. Sometimes you just want to do something else. So if that day comes when I just want to do something else, I know I can leave forex trading and just focus on investing and things like that. So that's an insight into my life away from forex trading. I hope this inspires you and inspires you to invest your monies. I know some people love to share and flex and things like that. I've got no problem with that. I just am a person, maybe because of my background, a person who prefers to invest and live a modest, comfortable life. Okay, that was about it. Please like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, leave a comment. I would enjoy reading your comments. Until next time, bye.